So now let's see how we can work around with Spins, Dawes, and Burn tool inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So over here you can see that I have a picture opened up, and let me just go around and then zoom in a bit right here. So over here on the left side here you can see that Spins like icon is here, and if you were to click on this, then you have the Spins, Dawes, and the Burn tool right here. So if I were to go to Spins right here and click and drag around, it removes out the color. So it spunses up the color, as you can see, and you slowly get black and white right here, just like this, as you draw around with places where you have color. Then you can see that there's this Dawes tool right here. It brightens out the different places of the image, as you can see, as you draw. And you can also work around with the size and the exposure level, as you can see, just like this. And you can go around and select different tones like highlight tones right here. So it just affects out the bright part of the picture, as you can see. While if you were to go to shadows, it only affects out the dark part of the picture. And midtones, it only affects the middle ground of the picture right here, just like this. So on the Spins as well, there's desaturate and even the saturate tool. So you can also go around and increase the flow, add in the color to the picture as well. So you can, let's say, add in more color over here, just like this. Click and drag around and you can add in the color over here. So similarly, there's this Burn tool right here, which burns out the image right here and makes it darker. And you can choose whatever you want. You can choose the highlights and burn it out. It darkens out the said areas, as you can see. You can go around and then darken it out over here, just like this. Work around with the shadows, click and drag around, and that is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize the Spins, Dawes, and Burn tool inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.